In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove weekends in Monday.com. This is really useful if you and your team only work on weekdays and you want your timelines, due dates, and workloads to reflect that. By hiding weekends, your boards will be easier to read and your schedules will better match how your team actually works. Let's get started from inside your Monday.com account. First, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, your photo, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace. From that drop-down, find and click on Administration. This section is where you can adjust higher-level settings for your account or workspace, not just personal preferences. Keep in mind that you may need to have admin permissions to see this option. If you don't see administration, you might need to ask an account admin to follow these steps for you. Once you're in the administration area, look for the section related to your profile or general settings. Click on Profile. This is where Monday.com groups many of the settings that define how your account behaves, including language, time zone, and other interface preferences. Even though we're trying to hide weekends, that option is stored under these broader account settings. Next, within that same settings area, click on Account. This will take you to the account level configuration page. Here you'll find options that affect how dates, timelines, and other features appear across your boards. Take a moment to scroll through so you get familiar with what's available, but for now we'll focus on the weekend setting. On the account page, look for the option labeled Hide Weekend or a toggle related to showing or hiding weekends. When you find it, simply click to turn it on so that weekends are hidden. Once this is enabled, your timelines and date-related views will no longer display Saturday and Sunday as working days. This can help make project timelines more